guys, what's up? It's Nikita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do unboxing, and today I have the Glamego box. Now I have unboxed this earlier as well if you follow my videos. So this is the December box. I really like the packaging. It says no resolutions. Suits me because I haven't made any resolutions so far, but okay, we'll see. So this is how the box looks like. And now Glamego is one of the most affordable subscription box. It only retails for 399 rupees, and if you take the subscription, I think it's for 299 rupees, and they give you like about 3 to 4 products every month, ranging from makeup to beauty, and I'm excited to see what's inside. So let's begin. So when we open the box, it looks like this from inside. We have a pamphlet that says what all do we have in this. So the first thing, let me just show you. After we take off this is how it looks like. And we have the Bio Bloom. It's a face radiance oil that retails for 1499 rupees, and this is the exclusive product of the month. Then we have the Bella Boste lip gloss that they say retails 599 rupees, and you get to choose your own color as well, so I think that's great. Then we have the Natural Bath and Body. It's a grapefruit vitamin C nourishing cream for 220 rupees, and a skincare or makeup that comes for 350 rupees. That's like a surprise element every month. Errors. So yeah. Firstly, let's start with the oil. So this is how the packaging looks like. And let's see what is inside. It says that it's a face oil that is age defying and is a radiance booster. And I've never really used a face oil before. I've heard about them, I've seen people use them, but I've never personally gone ahead and used it. So let's see. It smells amazing. I haven't even opened the bottle, and it smells like rose and jasmine. I don't know if those are the ingredients. This is how it looks like the usual face oil bottles, and I'm really excited to use it. It says it's 100% natural and it's paraben free as well. That's a great part. And when you open it, there's a dropper, and you can just take the oil and apply it on your skin. So yeah, we're really looking forward to use this. Next thing that we have is it's a Bella Boste The Perfect Gloss. Now it's not a lipstick, it's a lip gloss. And let's see what we have inside. And it's a bright orange sort of color, if you can see. That's how it looks like. And let me go ahead and swatch it for you. Well, I'm not really a gloss fan. I'm more of a matte person. I usually prefer matte lipsticks over gloss, but yeah, once in a while, no, a gloss does no harm. So let's just see the color. Okay, that's how the color looks like. It's not very bright of an orange. It's a deep orange, kind of a burnt orange shade, and I think I would definitely go ahead and give this a wear. This is how it looks like. So yeah, second product is this. Third thing that we have is a Natural Bath and Body. It's a grapefruit and vitamin C nourishing cream. It says it will lighter, whiter and brighter fix. Okay, now I don't know about that, but I really like using skincare. I'm kind of person who gets very excited when it comes to skincare. So yeah, it is sealed over here, so I'll have to open this and see how it works. The next thing that we have, last thing in the box, is it's a neem face wash by McCaffeine. Well, I've heard about this brand McCaffeine earlier as well. I saw some of the bloggers do its review about its shower gels. And I haven't really got a chance to use any of the products from this brand, but I'm definitely looking forward to use this. Neem is anyway very good for your skin. It has anti-acne properties. Yeah, it smells very fresh. It does not smell of anything like a neem or anything, but it's very fresh fragrance, something that you would look forward to use to, get a fresh splash on your face. So yeah, the fragrance is quite nice, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to use this as well. So that's it. That's all in this box. The box is empty now, and I hope you liked the video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well, and click the bell notification to stay notified whenever I upload a new one. Also, if you're interested in buying the Glamego box, I would definitely link it in the bottom part, so you can definitely go and check them out, or if you're interested, you can get a subscription. And until then, keep smiling, have a great day, and thank you for all the support. Bye.